Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. There is a mega bullish target for Cardano ADA. There's a lot to dig into, a lot's happening. Let's get down to the desktop. Let's go. So we're going to start here on coin market cap. The total market cap of crypto globally stands at $3.81 trillion, down 1.46% in the past 24 hours, with Bitcoin at 110,807.68, down 1.54% in the past 24 hours. But we're here to talk about Cardano. It's down 1.35% at 82 cent 33, and there is a mega target for Cardano ADA. It's up 156.35% in the past year, which is actually outperforming Bitcoin. There's a lot to dig into, but let's get straight into this. Cardano's fresh mega target in sight as Grayscale ETF filing boosts ADA sentiment. So I talked about this in yesterday's video where I was suggesting that ultimately the sentiment wasn't that good for many different crypto projects. I talked about 𝗗𝗶𝘀𝗰 in another video on another channel, and I was saying that the sentiment mirrored Cardano. And in that Cardano video yesterday, I was suggesting that Cardano is no different to other blockchains in the crypto space when it comes to sentiment. And again, it's Ali. I don't know why these media outlets pick his content up so much. I need to go actually have a look at this guy. Cardano ADA must break 88 cents to confirm a rally towards $1.20, according to Ali here on X. But look, for me, it's really interesting that these projects keep getting hatred in the media, and it's like even the institutions are not buying up this nonsense, right? Grayscale spot ETF filing would indicate that. This is an indication that big smart money believes in Cardano ADA and its bright future. Do you agree, disagree? Let me know in the comments below. There's so much to dig into, so stay with me. On that mega price target for Cardano ADA, we've got another article here. Cardano price set to explode, according to this media outlet, CoinDo, whoever they are. The chart hints at a 30% rally ahead, and that mirrors obviously the fresh mega target in this previous Trading View article. Obviously, I'm not a financial advisor. Treat this as entertainment purposes only. Go away, do your own research. Never invest more than you're willing to lose, because nothing is guaranteed in crypto. It's super risky, and you do risk losing all of your money if you do invest. So go, I guess, consult a financial advisor. I am not a financial advisor, and these price targets are just that. They're targets, they're examples, right? So just want to be clear on that. But this article, 6th of September, Cardano ADA traders are positioning for a potential rally after a combination of chart signals and macroeconomic news tilted sentiment in favor of the bulls. And this is the economic data coming that basically the Fed could be on the verge of, reducing interest rates. Now, where on earth would you have been told that September would probably most likely, based on forecasting, be the month in which the Fed does a Fed pivot? Any guesses? Let me know in the comments below. The free educational Discord link is in the description of the video. Bullish structures take shape, according to this article. From a technical perspective, Cardano is trading comfortably above its 100-day exponential moving average, a level that has historically served as a reliable support. And again, they've just got a line, I guess a chart for ADA. And the speculation of a spot ETF is what is really going to be driving this next, explosive move to the upside, as they term it in this article. Not my words, the article's words. Cardano ADA, is this bear market a whale accumulation opportunity? So for me, before we get into the actual article, I believe that these dips are for buying. That's my belief. It's my thoughts. It's my opinion. Not guaranteed, obviously. I'm not a financial advisor, but it is my views. It is my opinions. And I am going to be buying more Cardano ADA, if I can get my words out. But let's get into the article. Cardano ADA faces bearish retail sentiment, but sees whale accumulation of 200 million tokens, signaling institutional confidence in long-term fundamentals. Again, the indication that Grayscale may be getting a spot ETF for Cardano probably plays into that for sure. And we've got Cardano enters Wyckoff markup amid 600 million row. So look, this is all to do with the recent audit, because there was some accusations towards Charles Hoskinson made. At the time that those were made, I was telling you that I believed that they were false and that Charles would be, seen as innocent. And ultimately, Charles Hoskinson was denied opportunities because of this accusation, being perhaps with the president of the United States, for example, at Mills, and opportunities like that where others in the crypto space were present. Charles wasn't. And a lot of that could have been down to this accusation. Now, what's happening is, at least from a media perspective, is they're pushing the narrative that the prices are going to rebound because actually a lot of this negativity has disappeared. It'll be proven to be false. So whales are on the move. They're looking to buy up Cardano ADA, according to this article. And again, you've got to go check the on-chain analysis to see what is really going on. We've got Cardano unveils major progress across Catalyst governance and scaling in a weekly report. Input-Output IOG has released its latest Essential Crypto Weekly Development Update, showcasing significant milestones across multiple areas of the ecosystem. So again, really, really cool. I think that, if we see the actual slides and everything, I will share all of this and do a bit of my own write-up on it in our free Discord, link in the description of the video, so check that out. But ultimately, things are positive and the work is being put in by the team over at the Cardano side of things. So is Cardano facing a significant shift in market sentiment? Personally, I think that it's all going to start to become positive. It's going to become positive because ultimately we're going to have a Fed pivot, in my opinion. Obviously yet to be seen, but I do think that this will be in September. If that does actually come to fruition, we are on the cusp of probably the biggest bull run in crypto history. Something that I've been saying is coming for some time. Nobody has a crystal ball. Nobody knows for sure, but our forecasting has been great for the last 24 months. And ultimately, this is what I believe. It doesn't mean that it's necessarily guaranteed, but it is my thoughts and opinion. Hopefully you can't hear my dog barking in the background. It's going absolutely nuts. It doesn't like me talking to this camera. But ultimately, I think we're in a really good position for Cardano, for the crypto space. I'm interested to get your views and opinions. What is the big catalyst for Cardano? What is it that you're really happy with that Cardano are doing right now? What are you not so happy about? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this content, hit the like button, subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one.